Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make. First, let's start by making a slip knot. Now chain 9. Now we're going work to half double crochet stitches into the second chain from the hook. Now we will make one half double crochet into next 6 stitch. Now work 6 half double crochet stitches into the same last chain. Now we will make one half double crochet into next 6 stitches. Now work with into half double crochet stitches into the last chain of our round. Here we are in round 2 chain 1 and start in the first stitch of the previous round. Now we will make one half double crochet into next 6 stitch. Work to half double crochet stitches into next 5 stitch. Work to half double crochet stitches into next stitch. Subscribe for more tutorial. Thank you. Leave a comment below.